Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm presenting an update to the drawing program for reinforced column sections in AutoCAD. The software package includes tools for drawing both the column sections and the stirrups. I'll also be providing a tool palette so you can access the commands directly, no need to type the program names manually. Let's start by installing the tool palette. Go to the View tab and click on the Tool Palettes icon. With your cursor over the palette, right-click and choose Customize Palette. Right-click again and select Import. Now choose the file columns.xtp to load the palette with all the AutoCAD commands. Next, drag the palette into your group of palettes. To activate the new commands, we just need to load the program. Go to the Manage tab, click Load Application, select the file rccolumn.vlx and click Load. Now we can start drawing the sections. At the end, the program displays in the command line the reinforcement percentage of the column and the reinforcement density for the section that was drawn. To activate a different command, you'll need to press the Escape key. Only then can you draw stirrups or any other type of section. In this version, we can define the reinforcement cover simply by editing the value in the file concretecover.prn. We can also edit the layer names and colors in the file layers.lsp. If you have access to the Beam section drawing program, beam_sec from the previous video, you can edit the layers directly in the Excel data input file. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave your comments and don't forget to visit the Patreon page. See you in the next video.